troll, the hair huggers that can fit in your arm, and this is the blind bag trolls that Mama gave this one. But let's see what is inside of this McDonald's bag. I think we will get there something trolls. I wish I get puppy only, but I don't think we can get puppy. It's so hard. See, ow! And let's open it. It's all the trolls. They even cloud guy.
Okay, open it one by one.
Oh, I want Pouty Blanche. And yeah.
It's open already.
Oh yes, it's open already. Tatay open and you also.
Okay, go.
And put it just you first. Oh, look at Pouty Blanche. His hair is purple and his body is blue. And you know how to do this? Just like this. See? He moved this there and over here. Smidge. Okay, now let's stand Blanche over here so Blanche can...
Okay, next
Now
one.
who's the other one? It's
What's that?
Cloud Guy. Up. Okay. Look at Cloud Guy.
Okay, wow.
The Cloud Guy got the socks. Let's see.
He's the one said, high five.
High five. Okay. And this is Cooper. Let's see. Oh, I think he's wearing roller skates. You know why I said it's skates? Because it's fall. Let's stand him. Oh, I think he cannot stand. Let's test to stand him.
Yeah, because his legs is already, can I see? He's crossing his legs. That's why he can't stand. Okay, just put it there.
I think, let's see who more we get.
Are you so excited about, oh, what's that?
It's
Who is it?
Hickory.
Oh, it's Hickory.
The one it's pretend to be also the country music troll.
Wow. Okay.
You know what is in his butt?
What?
That is the other troll. He want to get the string and he said, sorry, puppy. Like that.
Okay. Open it.
Let's see how he... Oh. What's this moving? Oh.
Have to press it down. Wow. Can I see? Show it, show it. Wow.
He said, like that. Oh, he can stand? Yes, he can stand.
Wow. Oh, okay. Get
He's
another one.
sleepy.
Cooper is still sleepy.
What's this troll?
King Trolls.
Trolls.
Can I see? Okay, open it. Show it to me. Show it to me. There you go. King Trolls from Mcdonalds. Oh, he's the number. Okay.
Look. This is King Trolls. Look at his hair.
It's nice.
Yes, it's nice.
I think that one is glow in the dark.
Oh, yes. Let's turn up the light.
Later.
Later after.
Yeah,
Oh,
open all.
Let's see if we can.
Can he stand? Over here, beside brunch, party brunch. Okay, there. Okay. Next
He can
one.
He's the Guy Diamond.
Wow.
And-
Can I see Guy Diamond? How about Tiny Diamond?
Oh, I still don't know if Tiny
Okay,
Diamond
open it.
Oh, I think somebody's hiding. Yes, it is!
Can I see? Show it to the camera. Oh, hi, Tiny Diamond. There
And look
you
at
go.
But how he... Okay, let's see how he... Oh. In his butt, there's
Guy Diamond and
Tiny
Tiny
diamond.
diamond. Okay, the next
Oh,
one.
he cannot stand because
Okay, the next one.
because he just like that.
Okay.
Okay, sleepy.
He's crossing his legs too. Okay. It's not. Maybe here you can stay over here.
Oh wait, let's see. Vicky and Mr. Binkles. You know what? His name is Vicky.
Biggie.
Biggie
And
and Mr. Binkles. You know what?
can I see? Show it to me. It is. Oh, it's Biggie and Mr. Dinkles.
Yes.
Show it.
Oh, his hair is floppy too, and look at his.
Oh, that's Binky.
Oh,
Biggie and Mr.
Binkles.
Dinkles at the
Look,
back.
I think he can move.
Oh, where is Poppy?
Oh, I'm still finding her.
Okay, get another one. Don't look. Get another one. Wow, what's that?
Tailtadon.
Show it to me. The plastic. Can I
I
see?
think it's. Oh.
Okay, oopsie. It is. Oh, it's Deltadon. Hi, show it. Oh,
She's
so
the one chasing Becky and Mr. Binkles and Poppy, but I'm still finding Poppy.
yeah, they were the ones singing. Okay.
Poppy!
Oh, it's Poppy. Wow, I think she's so cute.
Oh, it's open over here.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I think Poppy cannot go. Oh, here we go.
Go, show it, show it.
It's
Wow.
Pouty Poppy, and you know how you need to do it that's like this. Just like lunch. Look at her glasses. And I think Pouty Poppy have her crown that it's with those pink flowers.
Yeah. Together beside this party branch, they will be dancing together. Yay. There's still more?
Oh.
Nothing more?
One more is here.
That's the last one?
Yes.
Okay.
Queen Barb.
Queen Barb. Oh, can I see? Wow, rock and roll.
And look at her hair. And I think look at her rock and roll.
Yeah. Can you count it all? How many you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, you got all the set from Happy Meal.
Toy.
Yay,
And
it's
now
Trolls.
Yes, it's Trolls. Now let's turn off the light first.
Okay, just stay there.
Bye, guys. I love you. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye, guys. Glowing in the dark.